Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EROS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute? If you're new to charts, I do offer a explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Done this analysis several times in the past, including on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from here. And after today's price movement, not a whole lot to update. I do want to get another level of support in there. But the one dynamic where you got to give credit where credit's due is nice recovery on the bulls part. I mean, that opening 30 minutes, which you see right there, I mean, the price really flushed to the downside. Things were looking very, very shaky. But like I said, to give credit where credit's due, the price stabilized out and then eventually was able to bounce the price back up above that green line there. So yeah, that temporarily, that level of support at 218, that green line was broken. But because the price was able to bounce back up and get up above it and then stay up above it, that would now be considered an area of support. Although I would say a weaker level of support. So to illustrate that, I'm going to make this line a little bit skinnier. Again, sure, it would still be considered a level of support, but not nearly as strong because that violation of it would have weakened it up quite a bit. As far as the next overall level of support is concerned, I think the price maybe bounced right off that level. I can't tell. Let's see, though. But there was this former area of consolidation. Yeah, pretty close right here. So you look at the last time the price made a very solid move back here. And then, the price went sideways, and its sideways location right there formed an area of support. And then you fast forward to that first 30 minutes, and I don't think it hit it exactly, but a couple pennies off. Point being, right there around 205 was a level of support that you would want to see hold as support, and it did indeed act as support, so that's a good sign. And then going forward from just an overall story perspective, that is definitely an area that you would want to see hold up. If the price were to drop below there, then all of a sudden the price is down at lows that haven't been seen for several days, and that's not exactly a step in the right direction as far as being bullish is concerned. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to report. 235 talked about in the past is that level of resistance. Price is still up there, so got to consider that an area of resistance going forward still. But overall, not the best day, but given the context of that first 30 minutes, I would say a very nice recovery. So we'll see if the price can build upon this one on Friday to close out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.